should investors think about inflation and how does it impact your portfolio positioning?
Well, inflation is really the loss of purchasing power. And if you think about it, in my lifetime, the purchasing power of a dollar has declined 86%, Jenna. Isn't that incredible? So, we've had this constant erosion in purchasing power. Now, in recent years, that level of decline has been very low. It certainly seems obvious that it's increasing. We see it in the enormous pushback up in wages, and some of these increases are going to be permanent. Some of these supply bottlenecks in lumber and other things probably temporary, but I think you should count on permanently higher inflation. You just can't print this much money and not have the value of each dollar go down over time. So what do? Some people, want to buy gold or they want to buy cryptocurrency. They want to buy something where they believe the value of that asset will be saved or protected because of its scarcity. Now, that is not our game because there's no intrinsic value in scarcity. What we love to do in a time of inflation is to own businesses that have pricing power, that have durable business models. Because what we know is, Coca-Cola makes money in countries that have high inflation because they're able to pass along those price increases. Ferrari made a lot of money, even though they were headquartered in Italy, where the lira went to 3,000 or 5,000 or some damn thing, because they had pricing power. So in a world of inflation, we'd rather own companies like Raytheon and Intel and Applied Materials and Ferguson, as well as high-grade banks like Development Bank of Singapore, or now, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Capital One, where some inflation, some rising interest rates are a benefit. But I think it would be a fool's game to bet against it. But I think just buying something that has scarcity and hoping it will hold its value versus buying a business where intrinsic value is driven by the earnings growth of that underlying business, we like that second strategy a lot more.